Hello and welcome to Season 3 of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce, and I'm thrilled to kick off this new season with a topic that's on every maintenance manager's mind: how to reduce maintenance backlog and increase efficiency using CMMS software. Today, we're joined by Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert who's going to help us unpack this challenge. Welcome to the show, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. It's always a pleasure to talk about ways we can make maintenance operations smoother and more effective.
Let's start by understanding the issue. What exactly is a maintenance backlog, and why is it such a problem for organizations?
A maintenance backlog refers to the accumulation of maintenance tasks that are pending or overdue. This could be anything from preventive maintenance activities to corrective actions that haven't been addressed. A backlog is problematic because it often leads to equipment breakdowns, production delays, and increased costs. Essentially, it's a sign that your maintenance program isn't keeping up with the needs of your facility.
So, it's not just a minor inconvenience, it can have serious implications on overall operations?
Absolutely, Bruce. A high backlog can severely impact equipment reliability, employee morale, and even safety. When maintenance tasks pile up, it often means that critical inspections or repairs are being delayed, leading to potential failures. It's like a ticking time bomb. Sooner or later, something is going to give, and that can be disastrous.
And it's not just about fixing things that break, right? The backlog can also hinder preventive maintenance, which is crucial for long-term asset health.
Exactly. Preventive maintenance is all about keeping your assets in peak condition and preventing issues before they occur. When a backlog gets out of control, preventive tasks often get pushed to the side, which ironically leads to even more urgent and costly repairs down the line.
Now, let's talk solutions. How does a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, help in reducing maintenance backlog?
A CMMS is a game changer when it comes to tackling backlogs. It centralizes all maintenance-related information, making it easier to schedule, track, and complete tasks on time. With features like automated work order creation, priority setting, and resource allocation, a CMMS ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. It helps maintenance teams prioritize work based on criticality, ensuring that the most important tasks get done first.
That sounds efficient. Could you give us an example of how a CMMS might work in practice to reduce a backlog?
Sure. Imagine a manufacturing plant with a significant maintenance backlog. The CMMS can be used to categorize the backlog tasks by urgency and equipment type. It then helps in assigning the right personnel to each task and provides real-time updates on progress. For instance, if a critical piece of machinery is down, the CMMS would flag it as high priority, ensuring immediate attention. This reduces downtime and helps clear the backlog systematically.
And what about routine maintenance tasks? How does a CMMS handle those to prevent them from becoming part of the backlog?
A CMMS automates the scheduling of routine tasks, so they're never overlooked. For example, it can automatically generate work orders for preventive maintenance based on time intervals or usage metrics. By ensuring these tasks are consistently completed, you prevent them from adding to the backlog and keep your equipment in optimal condition.
Reducing backlog is one part of the equation, but let's also talk about efficiency. How does CMMS software enhance overall maintenance efficiency?
Efficiency in maintenance is all about doing more with less time, less cost, and less stress. CMMS software enhances efficiency by automating routine tasks like scheduling, inventory management, and reporting. It provides a clear overview of all assets and their maintenance history, allowing for better decision-making. Moreover, with features like predictive maintenance, the system can anticipate failures before they occur, which means fewer emergency repairs and a more streamlined workflow.
Predictive maintenance sounds futuristic. How does it work, and what are the real-world benefits?
Predictive maintenance uses data from IoT sensors to monitor equipment health in real time. The CMMS analyzes this data to predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail and schedules maintenance accordingly. This proactive approach minimizes unplanned downtime and extends the life of your assets. In the real world, it means you can keep your operations running smoothly without the constant worry of unexpected breakdowns.
That's impressive. So CMMS doesn't just react to issues, it helps you stay ahead of them.
Exactly. It's a shift from being reactive to proactive. By staying ahead of issues, you reduce the need for costly, last-minute repairs, and keep your maintenance operations running like a well-oiled machine.
Are there any challenges in implementing a CMS that our listeners should be aware of?
Yes, Bruce. Like any significant change, implementing a CMMS comes with challenges. These can include the initial cost, the time required for staff training, and resistance to change. However, these challenges are far outweighed by the long-term benefits. To overcome them, it's important to have a clear implementation plan, involve your maintenance team in the process, and choose a CMMS that is user-friendly and scalable.
It sounds like the key is in the preparation and getting everyone on board.
Exactly. With the right approach, the transition can be smooth, and the rewards reduced backlog, increased efficiency, and lower costs are well worth it.
And once the CMMS is in place, how long does it typically take to start seeing results?
Results can vary depending on the size of the organization and the existing backlog, but many companies start seeing improvements within the first few months. The key is to continuously refine your processes and use the data provided by the CMMS to make informed decisions. Over time, the system becomes an integral part of your operations, driving long-term success.
Alex, thanks so much for sharing these insights. Reducing maintenance backlog and increasing efficiency are crucial for any organization, and it's clear that CMMS software is an essential tool in achieving those goals.
Thank you, Bruce. It's been great to discuss this important topic. I hope our listeners are inspired to explore how a CMMS can transform their maintenance operations.
Absolutely. And to our listeners, if you're looking to stay ahead in maintenance management, consider integrating a CMMS into your workflow. Thanks for tuning in to Cryodo's Maintenance Management. Until next time, keep your maintenance running smoothly.